Hello everyone, welcome back to English Grammar Academy. So in this video, we will learn what are phrases. A phrase does not have capital letters. A phrase does not have signs of punctuation. A phrase does not have a verb. Let us see few examples. In the park. At 6 o'clock. On the table. All these three phrases do not have capital letters, they do not have signs of punctuation, and they do not have a verb. Therefore, a phrase is different from a sentence and it does not make complete sense. That's all for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.